for dust down. Right. You're gonna just land up in the middle of a project here. This here is the beginnings of a cone, and I've got the sheets to make another one a bit bigger as well. And the idea is that I'm gonna have two cones, this here and the other one, by each other, and this is gonna be sort of like a cast-in mould-ish for the refractory cement to go into, and we'll make a forge that way. So this is the beginnings of the first cone. Then the second cone will be out here. We'll have refractory cement poured between them, and everything then on top, and a pipe about there. There'll be a thick plate there. That isn't big enough, but I'll have a flat plate between the both of them, and a bit of a hole and a contraption, a grid, and well, two long bits or something like that. Maybe flat and a piece in the middle to make a sort of grate for air to come through. And if it's two long bits, I can put two fingers of a shaft here, and I'm hoping that'll make a different, possibly better clinker breaker than what I've seen before and the one I've made before. Why am I humming? So I'm going to weld that up. I'm just going to tack it up because I've done plenty of welding things up when I shouldn't have. I'm going to tack this up, and probably the other one as well, and put them together and see how it looks. Oui. Ah oui. inside. Fortunately, this one being bigger, it's easier to manipulate. So that's sort of what that'll look like, and that looks a lot better when the templates were against them, each other. I think there may be 2 inches between them even, which is quite a bit. You're meant to have at least 1.5 inches, so that's sort of what it's going to end up like eventually. How we'll see if it'll work. You can't see me. We've got a shade 10 lens on. If this works, I'm gonna make a proper bayonet style business where I can actually use these lenses on the camera legit. But we'll see if this works. If not, you know what went on and just welded it together. So. Alright, so you tell me if that worked. So we're looking alright there, you know. It doesn't look perfectly square. I don't know if it's pulling the way it was meant to pull. But what is? That's pulled too far. That's pulled not far enough. That's just right. That's not enough. But I'm not gonna start complaining about it. It's just fine. And feeling this here, I think that's gonna be plenty strong with application. The back is way strong enough, too strong. But outside, yeah. Hopefully this won't get too hot because the heat will want to rise, and because of all that refractory mortar, refractory cement in there. I'm hoping it'll reflect most of the heat and that'll be enough mass. But this here barely warms up for hours of use, and you know, then it won't corrode so badly. I'll probably paint it with high temperature paint anyway, but you know, stuff for exhausts and whatnot. But hopefully that'll stay free mill for a while, and it'll be strong enough then, because what I'm going to have